What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to teach you how you can steal your competitors' hashtags. So you go into your Instagram account, okay? You find somebody within your niche. So I'm going to type in Instagram strategist. See who comes up and make sure that they use hashtags. Let's see. Where's my favorite gal? I don't see her. Okay, well, I'll just go with tamikabasil.co. All right, and I'm going to go under their most recent post. See if she has hashtags. She does have hashtags. So once I see that she has hashtags, now look at the likes as well. If she doesn't seem like she has a lot of likes, then you might not want to use those hashtags, but those are still good hashtags. All you do is on the top right, you click on the three dots, you hit copy link. After you copy the link, you want to go into your browser. Go into your browser and paste the link. Once you paste the link, you will go there. Once you go there, you go into the hashtags, click on more, and you will literally take the hashtags that you have and you will copy all of the hashtags. Hit copy and go back into your Instagram app. Make a post. I'll just do a blank one for now. And then all you have to do is paste it back in the post. So as you can see, that's a fast and easy way to copy hashtags from your competitor. If this has helped you out, make sure you send a like, comment, and share.